Chemotherapy. What you need to know. Chemotherapy. Chemotherapy is a term which describes cancer-killing drugs. Chemotherapy may be used to cure the cancer, shrink the cancer, prevent the cancer from spreading, relieve symptoms caused by cancer. Ways of chemotherapy. Chemotherapy drugs may be given by different ways. Injections or shots into the muscles, injections or shots under the skin, into an artery, into a vein, pills taken by mouth, shots into the fluid around the spinal cord or brain. For long-term chemotherapy, when chemotherapy is given over a longer period, a thin catheter can be placed into a large vein near the heart. You can see here the placement of the catheter near the heart. This is called a central line. The catheter is placed during a minor surgery. Different chemotherapy drugs may be given at the same time or after each other. Radiation therapy may be received before, after, or during chemotherapy. Chemotherapy is most often given in cycles. These cycles may be of 1 day, several days, or a few weeks or more. A rest period is given between cycles. Means no chemotherapy is given between each cycle. A rest period may be of days, weeks, or months. This allows the body and blood counts to recover before the next dose. Often chemotherapy is given at a special clinic or at the hospital. Some people are able to receive chemotherapy in their home. If home chemotherapy is given, home health nurses will help with the medicines and intravenous. The person getting the chemotherapy and their family members will receive special training. Different types of chemotherapy. Standard chemotherapy works by killing cancer cells and some normal cells. Targeted treatment and immunotherapy on specific targets in or on cancer cells. This targeted treatment produces less side effects because they target specifically on the cancer cells. Side effects of chemotherapy. Chemotherapy is described as a body-wide treatment as these medicines travel throughout the blood to the entire body. As a result, chemotherapy may damage or kill some normal cells. Some people who receive chemotherapy are more likely to have infections, become tired more easily, bleed too much even during everyday activities, feel pain or numbness from nerve damage, have a dry mouth, mouth sores or swelling in the mouth, have a poor appetite or lose weight, have an upset stomach, vomiting or diarrhea, lose their hair, have problems with thinking and memory. Side effects depends on the types of cancer and which drugs are being used. Each person reacts differently to these drugs. Some newer chemotherapy drugs that better target cancer cell may cause fewer or different side effects. Some measures to prevent side effects. Being careful with pets and other animals to avoid catching infections from them. Eating enough calories and protein to keep weight up. Preventing bleeding and learn what to do if bleeding occurs. Eating and drinking safely. Washing hands often with soap and water. A patient will need to have follow-up visit with doctor during and after chemotherapy. Blood tests and imaging tests such as X-rays, MRI, that is a magnetic resonance imaging, CT, computerized tomography, or PET, that is a positron emission tomography, scans will be done too. So these tests are done to monitor how well the chemotherapy is working, watch for damage to the heart, lungs, kidneys, blood and other parts of the body.